Welcome to Bite-sized Tutorials, where we break down complex topics into quick, easy to digest lessons. Let's talk about JWT or JSON Web Token. Think of it like your digital VIP pass in web apps. It's a secure and neat way to send information between different systems, all wrapped up in a nice little package. A JWT has three parts, and each part is base64 URL encoded. These parts are separated by dots: the header, the payload, and the signature. The header is like a label telling you what kind of token it is and how it's signed. This part is encoded, but once decoded, it's just a simple JSON object. The payload is where all the important stuff is, like who you are and what permissions you have. This part is also encoded so it can travel safely, but when decoded, it shows all the user data. The signature is what keeps everything secure. It's created by taking the encoded header and encoded payload and then signing them with a secret key. This is how the server knows if someone tries to mess with the token. Here's a simple breakdown of how it all works. When you log in, you send your username and password to the server asking, "Hey, can I come in?" If the server says, "Yep, you're good," it gives you a JWT. This token contains information about you, is signed and encoded for safe travel. Now that you have your token, every time you ask for something from the server, you show the token as your pass. It's base64 URL encoded so it can travel safely, but the server can decode it easily. The server then looks at your token, checks the signature to make sure it hasn't been changed, and if everything looks good, it lets you in. JWTs are stateless, meaning the server does not need to remember anything about you after handing you the token. It just checks the token every time you make a request. This makes things faster and simpler. Once you've got your token, you're all set until it expires. Just remember, keep your token secure, use HTTPS, set an expiration date, and don't go handing it out to anyone.